So I hope that was helpful to you. We're gonna go ahead and finish with our assessment, and then I'm gonna show you the quick and dirty version. So if you're sitting at your desk or you're out doing yard work and you're like, I've got this, kind of stitch coming up in my shoulder, it can really help to alleviate your hands in a minute or less. So we'll start with our assessment. Maybe it feels like you're able to hold your arms up in front of you without causing a lot of shoulders up, or maybe your elbows are able to come more closely together. Again, if you're large chested or have a lot of tension in your arm lines, maybe that's not quite together, but maybe you're noticing a change. Progress is perfection. Over time, you're going to notice a lot of changes, a lot less compression, a lot more comfort, a lot more coordination in your arms. And then go ahead and extend your wrists. Maybe you get a little bit more extension. I'm noticing there's a lot less. Before, my left hand was a lot more curved or cupped. It's a lot flatter and a lot pinker. There's a lot more circulation in my hand, so that's always a good thing. So again, really great for preventing and just kind of bypassing arthritis and all those not so fun things, carpal tunnel and what have you. So I hope that was helpful. That's once you get that treatment down, it's maybe 10 minutes. It takes just me time to get the words out of my mouth. But sometimes you don't have 10 minutes and you just want to do something that's like, I got a minute, what can I do to myself, or what can I do for myself to stop my headache in its tracks? So you can take this squishy ball, and all you're gonna do is place it in the groove between the palms and interlace your fingers. And you're just gonna go side to side. So it's just across the base of the palm. Maybe 5 or 6 passes left and right, and you're gonna notice maybe the whole entire base of the palm feels tender. Maybe it's just that muscly pad, no right, no wrong, just noticing for yourself, taking time to notice what you feel in your body. Wherever you feel that tension, maybe it's the chunky part of the thumb, that thenar eminence on both thumbs. Maybe it's on the pinky side of one, the thumb on the other, or the pinky side of both. Wherever you're feeling that, you're just gonna place the ball between those areas of tenderness, and you're gonna do a few circles one direction, and a few circles the other direction. And every part of your upper body as relaxed as you can allow it to be. If you're having to work for it, you're not gonna notice as much of a return on your investment, not as much bang for your buck. The more relaxed you can allow your body to be, the more of a change you'll feel. And then we're gonna hold tight there. We're just gonna give a little very gentle pressure. It's not much more than just to keep the ball between your hands. You're not really squishing it or doing anything. You're not recruiting many muscles. And then either with the ball one hand at a time, or sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I just prefer to rub my hands together, exciting the lymphatic system to dump out those dead cells and also absorb that fresh fluid that we've just created in the thenar eminence, or that's where I focus my energy. And then we're just gonna do that same, just like we do with the ball, driving that fluid up towards the elbow. We're just gonna do the same thing manually. So from the fingertip, up the elbow, and up towards the armpit. So this is really great for dumping out the toxins of the body and kind of encouraging that fresh fluid that we've just produced. So hydrating the wrist, the elbow, the shoulder, and all the way up to the neck. So maybe you notice, oh, my neck doesn't feel quite so tight, or that headache feels like it's reduced 50%. If you're suffering from a lot of headaches, definitely drink a lot of water. Water is how those dehydration, cramps, headaches, these are sometimes symptoms of dehydration. So water is always, the more hydrated you are, the more of a difference you'll notice. So maybe if you want to flex and extend, you just kind of do a little before and after assessment, quick and dirty version. So I hope that was helpful to you. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm more than happy to help. So until next time, we'll see you guys. Have a great day.